Next up, an email query coming in from SS Verma. Now, Mr. Verma says that his society has not issued share certificates in spite of it being formed 3 years ago. Now, all the payment and the paperwork is complete. Share certificates have not been released to anyone, despite them following up regularly. Now, he wants to know if he can stop paying monthly maintenance in protest against non-receipt of share certificate. What are the penalties that can be applied by the Deputy Registrar in this case? Now, that's a fine way of protesting, Nirav, but if he stops paying maintenance, won't he be, won't he be pulled up for default?
Yes, certainly. So, because there may be a default on the society from issuing share certificate, that does not mean that you counter it by non-paying maintenance, because that will also be a default. And a default does not kill a default. They both will have to be dealt with independently. So I don't suggest you to stop paying maintenance. However, you have recourse available, presuming where the society is located. As per the Cooperative Societies Act, you have a registrar that is designated. Please complain to the registrar that though the society is formed, the shares have not been issued, and to direct the managing committee of the society to issue share certificate.
Nirav, how soon should a society ideally be issuing a share certificate once the society is formed?
Typically, there is no set time, but maybe any time between 3 to 6 months, I think so, is when they should start issuing share certificates.
3 to 6 months, and he's waited for 3 years and more. So it's a fairly long time to wait for those share certificates. Also, before we move on very quickly, what is a share certificate? Why is it so essential that you have the share certificate for your flat?
So how it typically works is that the society is consisting of all the flat purchasers who come together and form a society under the Cooperative Societies Act. The society is a legal entity and having its own perpetual succession. So it then becomes the owner of the building and the land, and therefore the builder and the developer transfers the building, the land and the management to the society. Now, because the society is vested with the building, the maintenance, management and the land, the members, that is the flat purchasers, are issued shares of that society, by virtue of which they are entitled to enjoy the property and all the benefits and the other rights that go along with that. Therefore, share certificate is very important, because that will give you the right to enjoy your property and be a member of the society and enjoy all the benefits thereto.
So also it is a share in the title of the land that is owned by the society?
Yes.
And so whatever benefits you get from that land.
Certainly. Title. So the society is the owner of the land by way of a conveyance.
What if the society has not got conveyance? Then is a share certificate issued?
Yes, because either the conveyance would have been pending, or the conveyance would be in the process of being given, or there may be still more development that is to be done. So the society will still be in place as far as the maintenance, management and otherwise is concerned. So for enjoying the benefits and the other activities, you will have to become a member. For example, liftman, watchman, services, utilities, so on and so forth.
You can watch live TV on our website mbnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.